Oh, hey guys, welcome back to an awesome episode of Restoration Rescue. All right, so in this week's video, we're gonna be knocking out these two panels right here. So this one right here, and we're gonna make this. So this is pretty much gonna be done and only will need some grinding. And then we're gonna come on over here and start nailing this panel and making a new piece for this and getting this all welded together. So maybe even next week, we're putting on that roof. All right, so that panel is in and looking pretty good. We have a lot of grinding left to do to get rid of the welds so it looks flat and flush. We also did the inner two pieces right here, so that's looking pretty good. And we also welded right here. And the reason we welded right here is because there's a seam, just like this one, which we're gonna do the same. We wanna make these panels look flat and flush like it's one big panel. So we need to grind it down. It'll look flat and flush once we're done with it. We're also gonna put a panel up in here like we did on the other side. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come around to the front of the truck. This we did on the other side as well. But what we're gonna do up here is we're gonna weld these two pieces together and make this flat and flush like we did on that side. And we gotta make a panel that fits in here, but we're probably gonna take it a little bit farther back because this metal is starting to pit. And it's not looking beautiful. So what we need to do is we're gonna grab our grinding wheel and start cutting away some of this nasty metal. right, so that is welded in and where it needs to go. That panel is all complete except for some well-needed grinding. But once it's all grinded, it's gonna look as good as the other side once that one's grinded. So we have a couple more things left to do that we're gonna handle off camera. Like we have this little thing we need to weld up and make look good. And then we have this panel under here that we need to re-weld and get that where it needs to go. But that's gonna be a wrap for this week's video. We'll see you guys next Saturday when we start getting ready to put this roof on and maybe even put it on. So we'll see you guys next Saturday. Make sure you guys are commenting, liking, and are subscribed to the channel. And make sure you guys are using our links down below to save you guys from 10% on OSnap. We'll see you guys next Saturday.